Here we have a 2019 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now with this vehicle it does come with over £6,000 worth of optional extras included. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights and the black front kinder grills. Full M Sport styling kit fitted to this vehicle, so you do get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a rear diffuser. Black look on this vehicle, so you get the black wheels, black paintwork and also privacy glass with your black window trim. Front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. You have your dual black tip exhaust flush, the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Your LED rear lights there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Go to the rear for a quick look at the interior. Full leather seats throughout with the blue M Sport stitching with the red on there as well. You have your climate control in the rear, integrated Harman Kardon premium sound system in the back and also the front. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat, extended 5-sport. Both front seats are heated. You also get a heated steering wheel. Auto, you have your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, again integrated Harman Kardon, auto lights just there as well. Foot on the brake, the vehicle will then start. You have your different drive modes. So you do get your sport, which makes the instrument cost a lot like that. You have your hybrid, and then you have your full electric mode, and then you also have your adaptive. Very cool features to have, where you can drive fully in electric, or half and half, or just full in petrol. Multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, if you take the car into manual mode. Heat steering wheel button just there. You can see the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard, and has covered, when I go through these settings, just over 61,140 miles. Screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Spotify, screen mirroring. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Go home, you have all these apps there as well. So go home, you have all these different settings here as well. You can also have the news and the weather. Scroll down to apps, you can see you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto fitted to this vehicle. Prop car into reverse, front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera just there. Again, the different drive modes comes up on here as well. Dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats, works exactly how you would expect them to, as you can see just there. So we have the kind of black ashwood trim look on this vehicle. Wireless charging just down there, 2 nice sized cup holders, USB 12-volt connectivity. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. You have traction control on and off, your parking sensors, click that button there. You have your battery control, as you can see just there. Different drive modes, electric parking brake with auto hold, gear selector, soft touch leather armrest with your USB-C port in there. Looking over there to the passenger seat, extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HPI Clear comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive finance. Thank you very much for watching.